Hey, good afternoon everybody. It's Ned over My Philippine Dreams, joined, although you can't see them, by Bridget and Angel, who are acting kind of crazy. So I hope collectively we can get through this. One of the topics that I like to see is when foreigners in the Philippines are caught on video losing their minds in public. Whether it be Frankie B losing it over not being able to find a Starbucks in Ayala Mall in Cebu, or Peter V losing his mind when he misses his bus stop, probably because he's under the influence. Or, in my favorite example, the wingnut down in Dipolog, he was an American guy. They all seem to be American guys that went absolutely bonkers when the LTO down there tried to give him a ticket for parking his motorbike illegally. Now, continuing on that theme, I got a fresh video here for your viewing pleasure that feeds directly into that. I'm not going to say the name of this gentleman, I'm not going to identify him. This is a YouTube channel and I don't want to be identifying people, but he is caught losing his shit over a parade. So without any further ado, let's take a look.
Honey! Some will get mad at you. Keep on complaining and recording. Stop it!
Okay, so basically what we have here is we're on the National Highway. It's Saturday afternoon, and they're having a parade in the middle of the National Highway. They got drummers, and they're just standing there in the middle of the National Highway, and they got corn dancers and stuff, and they look very cute, and I'm sure they practiced really hard, but this is the middle of the National Highway. And of course there's a huge traffic jam because they're having a parade in the middle of the National Highway.
Look how traffic it is.
Hopefully we get some really good footage of, the kids dancing around in their native uniforms in the middle of the fucking highway. And I've been honking my horn and everybody's getting upset at me honking my horn.
Honey, stop it.
Okay, so the deal with that was we had spent the afternoon down in Darwin. We went down to Uzi's Beach, Janice, Chichai, and myself. We had a pleasant, relaxing time. It's really nice having the car because you get the air conditioning and you get the cabin air filter, which filters out all the diesel fumes and all that. And on the way back, we hit a parade. And for some reason, they decided to have a parade on a Saturday afternoon in the middle of the National Highway. This is a little bit north of Bakong. And of course, it caused a horrific traffic jam, which backed up traffic on both sides for miles. But hey, they had to have the parade. Now, keep in mind that I've been here for over 6 years, and you would think in that time the Philippines would have changed me to be a little more accepting of some of the things that go on here, to fully embrace the concept of bahala na, to fully embrace the concept of basta. But still, despite all those years of practical experience, I still get a little frustrated when encountering situations like that. At times it feels like I have a broken copa, that my coping mechanisms isn't working correctly. But as you could see from the smiles and the laughter, we were all able to see the humor in the situation. Comedy, as they say, is based on tragedy, and sometimes there's nothing more tragic than ourselves. So until next time, this is Ned, that's Bridget. Puppies, rainbows, and unicorns to all. Take care.
Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.